Weld exhaust pipes on your car. You don't need to go to a car shop to change your exhaust pipes. With some knowledge and courage, you will be able to do it yourself. Replacing and welding the exhaust pipes of your car needs skills and accuracy. To execute this task well, read the following article on replacing and welding the exhaust pipes on your car. Use a jack to raise your car. Be sure that the jack can support the weight of the car. Check if the jack is properly placed before going under it. Safety first before welding the exhaust pipes of your car. Using a saw, or any cutting device, cut the factory muffler of the car. Don't make the cutting accurate because it is not important how perfect it is. Another reason why the accuracy of the cutting is not needed is, a factory muffler is hard to cut. Make some workspace on the muffler where you can work. Use a pipe bar to remove the factory muffler from the car. You can use any kind of pipe bar, but a 24-inch pry bar will do the job easily. Put the muffler in a safe place. Get your new muffler with a specific exhaust hanger for your vehicle. Place your new muffler on the location of the previous muffler. Use the hanger of the muffler to mount the muffler easily. Hold the new muffler and take its entry point to the cut portion of the tubing. Place it properly and mark the location where you will weld the exhaust pipe. This portion is very vital because you will need an accurate measurement for your new muffler to fit inside the pipe tubing. After you mark the spot, cut the remaining exhaust to get the perfect fit. Use any cutting device to cut the remains until you get the marked spot of the tube. Check if the new muffler can fit into it. If not, cut some more until you get a good fit for your new muffler. Wear your welding gloves and start binding the end of the tube. Hold the exhaust pipe and place the end of the muffler on it. Put a tack weld on the other side of the tube to bind it. Do the same process on the other side of the tube. To hold them together. This process will hold both of the tube together during the welding process. Make sure that the welding equipment that you will be using is set to weld thin metals with low speed and voltage. This will guarantee that you don't damage the pipe tube while you are welding. Put the welding gear first and start binding the tube with slow movements. Move around your welding equipment around the tube and make sure to be consistent on welding. If the tubes are now welded together, put aside the welding equipment. Check the vehicle after welding to know if there are problems. Check the vehicle for exhaust leaks. If you can hear some, get your welding machine and weld the parts that causes the exhaust leaks. If you don't experience problems, remove the jack beneath the car. You can save a lot of money on customizing your own exhaust pipe. Replacing the car muffler can increase your road performance and can give your car a good smooth sound while it is running.